Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick trade review for December 18th, 2023. Quick rate, going over the trade itself real quick. Break even, trade on the day, tried going short on the Russell around 11 o'clock Central Time. Break even, we'll go over the trade in specifics, but wanted to go over the background for the day. Coming into the session, you can see tight transition zone right here at 47.20, 47.15 above spot price in the money put dominated, below spot price in the money call dominated. So right there, kind of a mixed bag, really no discernible edge, higher or lower on the session. Plus GEX started at 47.25. However, if you're watching web app, you see that quickly shift to 47.50, which was COI for the day. Price ultimately got there on the session. However, that was a bit different from the tick, which the tick rolled over a little bit on Friday. I say roll over, but really a pullback in the context of a uptrend higher. It's holiday week, so maybe low volume, but you can see that the tick kind of did drift lower all day. We now have railroad tracks lower, so I really wasn't wanting to get too aggressive to the upside, just given the fact that the tick was trending lower. So yeah, that's kind of why I was looking for a short-sided trade here. Just recapping SPX price action real quick. Here, this is where we started the session right here. I mean, really just a grind higher all day. Ultimately got to that 47.50 target up ahead. Obviously, I didn't take a trade there. Yeah, really just kind of mixed signals today, so you got to be comfortable just not taking trades on a given day. Even though we were trending higher, I just wasn't comfortable taking a trade. So you know what? That is trading for you. Packed up shop around 11, 12 o'clock. Come back the next day and see if we can find anything. But going over the trade itself real quick, y'all. So here, yeah, you can get rid of this other so many. Yeah, so here, see, pretty violent move down to start the session. So I'm like, okay, tickets trend lower, IWM starting to trend lower. Then we kind of got this little pop up here. So okay, it's kind of a lower high setup textbook for me. This kind of inverse hammer candle, whatever you want to call it. We broke the low of that candle. Stop was above the highs. Immediately got a push lower. So I'm like, all right, cool. Trade, it seems to be working. However, then we started chopping and kind of reviewing my trades. Long talking with Michael. If the trade does not work immediately, it's really not going to work. So it started chopping around here. I got out at break even. We just weren't pushing lower. That, and while the tick was kind of chopping, moving lower, we got this nice ramp in SPX. So there's some divergence there. I really, I saw that big divergence in SPX. IWM was kind of chopping, was not continuing to push lower. So I was like, okay, the risk is to the upside here. Let's just get out of the trade for break even, rather than hoping and praying that the SPX is wrong and the IWM continues to melt down. So in hindsight, that was a good decision. We ultimately just chopped around. We did hit below a day, but that wasn't before, we started getting this move higher. So you know what? This is just trading in a nutshell today. Just break even, not frustrating, because I just took the trade, got out of there, packed up shop, come back again tomorrow, maybe see if structure is more supportive to kind of more of a discernible edge one way or another, and we will go from there. So have a good night.